Hey guys, what's up? So today we're playing Build a Boat and we're doing a collab with Kate and Lich. Please introduce yourself.
Hello.
It's okay.
I'm just gonna say hello.
Okay. It's okay if you do.
You're actually making a voice reveal already.
I already made one.
No, for me.
Is that okay?
It's fine. This is a sheep I just made.
Sheep smiling. You should churn it. Anyways, I'm gonna build a boat. I'm gonna build a boat.
Just so you know, I can't record my voice in my channel. So, I'll just add captions.
Yes. Okay, let me just finish this.
Because my stupid tablet doesn't work.
Perfect. I have made my perfect boat. Should we start? Should we launch?
Let me add the sleep.
Yes. Should we start now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna launch.
No, it's no.
Your sheep, bro. So sad. Wait, actually this is a perfect spawn. You can just go forwards. Why is your sheep sleeping in water?
Nikki, how about you send me the recording?
Yeah.
Or maybe just send me the video. Yeah. And then I'll just put the voice back in my channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your sheep is sleeping on water for no reason. It's not eating any grass.
My sheep is 100% gonna beat this game.
Yes, totally.
Totally, no sarcasm.
Yes.
For some reason, I'm fast. Okay, never mind.
I'm gonna go faster.
I'm gonna say faster.
Faster, my beautiful little boat. Faster. My boat is now faster than your. My boat are actually breaking right now. Ah! Rah! Grr. Wait, what if I just do this right now? Sorry guys for not posting for a long time, and my last post is like about 3 months ago on TDX. Bro, what the hell? Bro. Actually, I died. Kaden, are you okay?
Yes.
Are you okay with your sheep?
Yes, I'm laying on the roof.
Yay.
For some reason, I'm on the clock one.
Okay, I'm gonna come rescue you before as fast as you can. As fast as I can.
I lost an arm. I lost my feet.
Stop being kind of sus.
What do you mean? It's just a game. Dirty-minded boy.
What did I do?
Everything.
I didn't do anything. You did everything. I'm building my boat from last time. Same thing.
I'm gonna build the same thing but gold.
But gold, okay.
Wait, what if I connect my boat to you?
What?
Like, wait, don't move yet?
Why did you build a random gold?
Okay, so I'm gonna put this. And where's the seat? Here.
I'm just gonna save mine.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put the screen-ish.
Huh? I've already saved this. Bro! I have a little seat over here.
I'm gonna save this thing. I
Do,
don't care about this one.
do,
I'm lagging! I'm so happy!
Nice. Wait, actually, I'm gonna roll And on. Wait, I'm gonna save for a rare because I'm only 3 gold away. Can I launch now?
Wait, let me save it again.
Save.
Because I was lagging to ensure. Okay. Let's go.
What are we? Stop! What are you doing? We're already gonna die.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
What you mean?
Nikki, stop moving, please.
What are we doing? This is awkward.
Oh, wait, stop. Don't move. Yay.
We're resumed back to normal.
Oh, Nikki, don't move.
I just swear it wasn't moving. Wait, let me do it. Oh shoot! Dude, what the hell? What? bro. Oh shoot, we're gonna.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
I'm dying. Oh, I died. Hooray! We made it very far.
Nikki, help me.
I can't help you. I didn't even get gold, bro.
What is this?
Wait, I'm gonna try again. Load.
Okay. I have a better plan.
What is it?
How about I'll be the one to fly. So, wait, let me make this
A bit more. How do you even make it fly?
I'll use balloons to make it
Balloon.
very good.
Balloon.
The balloon is hiding from the
By the way, gold is kind of heavier than wood. So.
Okay, let me put this down. And I'm gonna change this to plastic. It's stronger, but still wrong.
What?
Still like. Oh, look at that.
Bro.
Nikki, you're too excited. You're too excited.
Yes.
I made mine very fat.
What?
My boat is very fat.
Okay. Are you gonna connect mine to yours again?
Yes, and I'm gonna use the spring because it's less
Buoyant.
wonky.
Because it's boiling.
Okay, which color do you like?
I like blue.
Blue. Wait, I missed the plastic. Let me fix this.
Blue.
Say. Okay, let's go.
Launch. Wait, what?
Oh,
What?
Nikki, I forgot I do.
What?
Because you like. You
What?
started the balloon. Or whatever.
When are you gonna start the balloon? Wait, what are you doing? Stop. We need to do it at the same time.
Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1.
What?
It's working.
Wait, you control right, I control left. We can both do forwards if you want.
I have to stand it so fast.
Wait, stop. Stop. You're controlling right. I'm not doing anything. Bro, what the? Did you just? Yay! Yeah. Oh, what is going on? What? Why is our boat dancing? We're going backwards. We're going home. Just go back.
What's going on?
Help me! Help me!
I flew up the last second, bro.
Yeah, I know. Alright, I'm gonna get a rare chest. I'm gonna get something. Ding, ding, ding,
Okay,
ding,
I'm gonna
ding,
reset.
ding,
We're so
ding, ding.
unsuccessful.
Okay, I got a pretty good of everything. I got pretty much anything. I'm gonna build.
COVID-19.
What? Where's the
I'm
mask?
gonna make a robot. What?
What? Why is this block floating? How do you even make a block float?
I think I placed it on your head. Wait, stop, wait, I'm gonna make this. I'll tell you when you can do it.
I'm literally just gonna do something random. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, my dad is so loud.
I don't know what I'm doing. Did you just do a shout out to your dad?
Yes.
Shout out to Caden's dad.
Very, very Chinese.
Yes.
I'm gonna give my robot chicken feed.
Bro, why are you so obsessed with chicken?
I didn't even say chicken before.
No,
Like
but do you remember at school?
What do you mean? I did!
Yeah, you did it.
I did!
You did it. I'm building something very random. Because it's random. That's why. I'm making it very weird. I don't know what I'm doing.
Wait, let me test it out first. I don't know the control yet. Oh, you mean, bro,
Yes.
what do you want? For the people who don't know what we're talking about
Yes. Bro, this is so weird. What are you doing? I'm gonna put some bait, just like connected to my boat. Bait.
Nikki.
What? Stop! What are you doing? What are you even doing? It's weird. I'm gonna can we launch boat now?
Wait, let me color the feet.
What?
It's normal. What is wrong with you?
I don't know. Maybe, yeah. Maybe. I don't know.
I'm gonna add the part where the chicken has like a weird thing on the head, the red part.
Oh yeah. Badoo, 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 badoo.
I'm gonna make it extra long.
Wait, don't launch until Don't launch yet. I'm not sitting in my boat. Okay, launch. You can launch if you want. You already fell down. What are you doing? This is weird. Bro, this chicken is weird as heck.
It's on your boat. I'm dying.
Go onto my boat. Bro, you already died. There's no point. I'm going very slow until all of this bait is dead.
I'm actually gonna make a robot.
Okay, now what kind of robot? A fish? Actually, a fish
No,
probably
a
works
mech.
pretty good in water.
I'm gonna make a mech.
Okay.
Because I remember making it on another account before, and
Okay.
it actually worked.
Nice. Well, now the update may be changed, so I don't know, man.
So it's sack time.
Badu, 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 badu. Your chicken is sacrificing for me. Because I don't know.
The chicken is gonna have a glow up.
Okay.
But it's gonna still have the chicken feet. Although this is not a chicken.
What? Okay. Me literally just following this thing. Why is there a portal with some flying things?
I saw someone put it down.
How?
I don't know.
They're literally just teleporting and just literally glitching, bro.
Chicken feet.
Bro, you love chicken. Why is there fish? Fish, calm down. Calm down. I'm part of your bamboo blah blah blahs. Okay, fish, please calm down. I'm not your enemy. I'm not your enemy. I swear, I'm not your enemy. I'm going actually pretty far. And your chicken is still making sacrifices for me. Yeah.
It's good. How does it look like now?
It just has its wing and small pieces of bread.
Bread.
Bread. Bread.
Bread.
I'm on my own now with my very stuff. There's so much cactuses bouncing. They have a bouncy gap. Why is there so much tornadoes? How's your cactuses in here, bro? I don't get it. This is so badoom badoom badoom. I'm racing to get out of here. I don't like the Egyptian era right now. Bro, I lost my controller. I can't do anything. Bro, I'm just literally sitting down, just dum 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 dum. I turned the gold. I turned green. I'm kind of colorblind, so I don't know. I'm turning gold again. Yes, this is very nice. Pleasant journey. Very pleasant. Bro, this is like an upgraded version. Was also a thunderstorm. I'm trying
This is
to.
the best mech ever. The best mech ever to exist.
Help me! Someone help me! I need someone to rescue me. My organs are dying.
No, I fell again. The mech.
What?
Nikki.
What did I do?
Help me.
What did I do? What the hell is that?
Help me.
Literally, what kind of mech is this even? Just rebuild it.
I'm gonna make my legs long. Daddy long legs.
What? Okay, I was thinking of what to do. I'm just gonna load normal. I'm gonna load a normal build. And then I'm gonna put some stuff at the back to protect my engine. I need my engine. My engine must survive.
Wait, just checking if I'm recording. I'm not recording.
I know you're not recording. This is a collab, though. This is somehow a collab when you're not even recording.
It always turns on its own.
Why?
But whatever.
Why?
Whatever.
Why? I'm literally just gonna place some chests as bait. Literally.
I'm gonna add nails on the
Bro.
toenails for the kids.
Okay. I thought you were gonna make them yellow.
I'm not gonna make them yellow. No.
door. Imagine you're like walking through this line of chest just to open this door, but it just slaps you off. Slap.
I'm gonna add fingers for it.
Bro, why is the nails purple even? Why is it purple?
Because why not? And also it's pink.
It's kind of, I'm colorblind.
Just telling you. So you remember. Okay?
Why are you calling them all pink?
Wait, let me save it.
Launch whenever you want.
Wait, let me save.
Wait, wait. Actually, let me just open all of the chests first. Okay.
What is wrong with you? Wait, there's one more.
I know. You can open. You
Okay,
can launch now. It's best not to really move. Your balance still has kind of a problem. I told you! Your balance has a kind of a problem. Oh, bro! You literally just knocked stuff on my... What are you doing? You're literally knocking stuff off of my boat.
No!
It's all your fault.
What did I do?
You knocked stuff off my boat. Also, your mech looks very weird.
It's just my mech's toenails.
Bro, they're literally knocking stuff off my things.
Nikki, push me. Try to push me to the side.
Why?
Because why not?
Oh, you're gonna get off and go on the side, right? I can't push you. I cannot push you.
I'm gonna slip.
Bro! I just tried to push you and now I'm upside down. Yes, I'm back to normal now for pushing you.
I'm swinging my feet. My nails fell off.
What the hell?
My fingernails fell off.
Good thing only one of your toenails fell off. I mean 2 of your toenails. Why are you still swinging your legs? It looks goofy. It's goofy.
Why not?
It's goofy.
Who just died? Nikki, look.
Bro, stop swinging your butt cheeks. Why am I even looking at your butt cheeks anyways?
There's no butt on it. What is wrong with you, dirty minder?
What you mean, bro? There's literally a butt where you used to swing, bro.
It's me, koi fish.
Yeah. It's a desert with some cactuses. Well, actually has bouncing gats. Credits to Kano and some other stuff.
I'm still swinging my feet.
Stop! You're losing your toenails. You're gonna lose your toenails.
Oh,
You're literally gonna die before I'm gonna die. Dude, I tried to pick you up. Bro, your chicken is still very, wait, actually your chicken can be used as bait, actually. Chicken. No, wait, I'm just gonna go through this Egyptian era. I don't like this at all. I don't like this Egyptian era at all.
I wonder how I can improve this. I'm gonna add a tail.
You need like some kind of support. Ouch, I died. Wait, is it okay if I build a seat and just sit on top of you?
No, wait. Let me finish it first.
I'm just gonna sit.
When you can sit on it. And you don't know what you're sitting on.
A chicken.
No.
Wait, I'm just gonna cover myself just in case.
I'm
You have these.
I'm lagging again.
I'm just gonna
Okay.
cover myself. I'm gonna cover myself so that I don't so that I can suffocate without dying. I'm suffocating now. Yay! Hooray! The reign of terror. Okay, I'm gonna put some baits now. Sticking out. Just to help the chicken.
Stalking out the lion for the listener.
Wait, I'm just gonna build the chest like way in front because you may walk a lot. Your chicken will be very tired soon.
Look here.
What?
You know what? Look here.
What is that? I'm looking.
Where did you go? Oh, you're inside.
Yes.
Nikki, look at this. Bro, what is that? Nikki, look at the hat. It's so big.
What?
I'm
Wait.
gonna launch, okay?
Wait, don't launch. Wait, just give me a few more couple seconds.
Why are you making it heavy? You're crazy.
Okay, let's go. I'm ready. Now your chicken actually has a
Here, look at the poopy.
Bro! Why are you making it so invisible? Bro, I knew it would fall. That's why I built protection for me. Stop swinging your legs, bro. Why are you swinging your legs?
The majority of what I'm doing with this robot is this.
Okay. Move. Move.
Wait,
Move.
Nikki, look at the feet.
Bro, that's so... Oh my god. Dude. What are you even doing? Oh my god. Oh my...
I love the poopy. Look at the poopy at the back.
Bro, seriously, why are you torturing it?
How am I torturing it? It's called style.
What? How do you even call it style? Hello? Yes. Sorry, I disconnected from this call. Now, that was some technical difficulties. We're now back.
You leave the call?
Yes. Wait, your feet might get destroyed by what's in front. Also, this poop looks kind of unpoop. E.
This is the most cursed thing I've made.
What's the most realistic? What's the most what?
On how to make a mech.
Why?
Ouch.
Are you gonna disconnect? Are you gonna disconnect?
No.
Okay, that's good. Why is the fish chasing us? Wait, now it's gone. Yay! We're now in the desert.
My feet is falling apart.
I know.
It's actually really easy for it. It's 1 year ago though. Oh, the poopy is flying.
I know. No, it's connected by an invisible line that you guys cannot see.
It's connected by a line of poopy.
What the heck? Why is it so invisible though?
Why is it so sussy? What the hell is this?
What?
I've never been here.
It's because
This
it's
is
just
new map
because
for
it's
me.
probably just new. The poopy fell off. The
water
poopy
is so
fell off.
poopy.
The poopy fell off.
Bro, there's like a tip of poopy there.
I know. I can tell.
There's bits and pieces of poopy.
Bro,
No, the poopy fell off. There's only a string of poop.
bro.
You're gonna turn blue. Never mind.
We're turning red. Wait. Tell me why. We're blue now. Yay. Why did you jump out? Oh
Because
wait.
I lost the seat.
Oh, be careful. Be careful. You have to be very careful now. Even if you're doing research, you have to be very careful. Oh shoot. I'm dying. Tell me why this happens.
I'm still. No.
You died. You died. You died. You died. You died.
Actually, I walked out to make it, and it's really easy. I'm just making a feet wrong.
Okay.
The feet cannot be chicken. Let
That's-
me try it again.
Try not to make it chicken then.
Do you want to make a mech?
I don't know. I don't even have blocks to make a mech.
Just use wood.
I have wood. I only have 8.
Wait, let me.
I'm literally just relying on you. Literally. Do you think this is already 30 minutes? I think it's already 30 minutes. Kay, are you there? Dude, why did I disconnect, bro? Bro, I swear I keep disconnecting. I swear, I keep disconnecting.
Back.
I know I left a voice call, bro.
Maki.
My first video, I actually didn't do a voice review.
Why do I like calling you Mickey?
Stop. Now we're doing a name reveal. Hooray! Tons of reveals in here. By the way, this the person I'm playing with right now is called Kaden, and my name is Nikki, or you can call me Nicholas. Yay!
I have been calling you Nikki for the whole time.
Yay! Name reveal! Hooray! Wait, how does this leg work?
Bro, let me run.
You can't even jump off.
Please.
Wait, don't launch yet. I'm just gonna put a random seat right here. Wait,
Don't put it. Remove it. I'm gonna do the Matrix.
What?
Wait, just wait. Okay, I'll put the seat. And then
Launch.
Don't launch. I can just unanchor it.
Bro. We're
How
falling.
did I do it? This is not fair, bro.
Did you actually watch the video?
Yes.
Wait, delete the seat. Try without the seat and me.
Let me watch it again. I should make it short out. Bro, someone else is calling me.
Why?
I don't know.
Why? Why? Bro, why am I hearing why back? Why?
What do you mean, bro?
What?
Small L.
Wait, try it. No, it fell!
How did I do it?
Because of the update, maybe? Because the updates in this game that just ruined this thing. Yeah, I guess so.
Oh! I can only make it for you.
What do you mean?
The brow star added focus on my phone.
What?
Try.
What?
Okay, and then move A and D. Just move one more. See?
Let's launch. Actually, this is cool. Bro!
Okay, move out. Like, no, move forward.
What? This is good.
Okay, move up.
What the? Okay.
Okay, no, Nikki, that's too much.
Yes.
Okay. Now walk. Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
We made a mech. This feels very awkward. I never really did this.
It's so wonky.
I'm trying to walk as fast as I. Oh shoot! This might be a
The
problem.
toe. The toe is gone.
I can tell.
It's now limping. No, the toe is gone. It's killing us.
Wait, this feels kind of cool when you're spinning around. Wait, let me turn again. Okay. No, bro! I'm dying. I'm dying!
Thank you. We're on one leg left.
Yes. No! I died! You're on your own now.
I did it! I'm on. Died.
Wait, this is actually really fun. Wait, why doesn't it work when you try it?
Because on phone or on mobile, you can't smooth. Because, let me.
Why can't it work on mobile?
Because, I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Wait, try. Wait, just do testing. Don't launch. Just do testing. Testing. Let's go!
It worked!
Wait. Oh. Yes! Yes!
Nikki, they fixed it. Before, I just moved the whole thing. Like, if I don't have the bit, I'll just move like this.
Okay.
But now they moved the thing too. Yay!
Why am I what am I doing? Why am I rolling? What am I doing? Wee! I'm rolling. Oh! My head's stuck. Okay, I'm back.
Let's decorate it.
What should we decorate it with?
I'm gonna make a kind of realistic sock.
A sock. How do you make a sock? I don't know how to decorate it without deleting anything. I'm just gonna add a nail. That's it.
Bro, Nikki, you're gonna make the build stuck.
I don't know what to do. I don't know how to even customize it. I don't know how to customize.
0.01.
The flowers are floating according to my computer.
Why?
Anyways, because I'm looking.
Because the stem is also green.
Boy, I can't see you. Wait, I can see you now. I'm ready. Waiting for you.
Bro, stop singing.
Why? It's very goofy. Goofy.
swing around.
What? Wait, you should make it. Wait for that. You should make it swing the up when the left foot is swinging. You have to make the right hand swing too.
No, this one is random. It just swings random.
Okay. Do we need a minigun?
No.
I'm gonna hold a minigun. Can I get a minigun?
Oh wait.
Tell me why. You can literally change your character literally into a fox. Tell me why. Ah. Wah wah wah. Wah wah. Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. Okay. Do you want to start? What you mean? Bro, my phone is on auto quit right now. Bro, my phone is literally on auto quit right now. Bro! My phone is on auto quit. Bro, why is it crying?
How is it crying?
I can see some invisible yellow stuff. Wait.
What do you mean?
No. Oh, it's the leg stuff. Okay, never mind. Let's start. It looks like it's crying though, because of the water. Oh. Are you ready?
Wait, let me fix it.
Tell me why. Stay.
Mine's fair. Okay, now it's gone.
Wah 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 wah.
You don't have to launch. You don't have to launch.
Okay, let's. Why is your arm is weird, bro? What the hell, my God? Ah, bro, what are you doing? Why are you trying to roll, Kaden? Why are you trying to roll? Stop rolling. Start walking. Yes, you're learning how to walk. Yay, you're learning how to walk. Wait, how about I do it? This is so weird. Should I do it, Kaden?
Wait, let me try it.
Hey, you're doing it. You just gotta do it. Oh, the arm is not barely even moving. Wait, did you save it?
Yes.
Good. Why are we spinning?
We're on one toe.
Wait, actually, yeah.
We're a ballerina.
Bro, what? I don't want to participate in the ballerina club. I swear, bro, I don't want to participate in the ballerina.
Oh my gosh, why is spinning so much?
Yes, very much. Ding, 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 ding. Why does it feel like the hand is kind of up, bro? Why is it pointing? What is it? It's pointing at some grass with some mountain. Now it's pointing. Stop trying to ballerina, bro. Stop trying to ballerina.
Wait, we're actually dodging it.
No, no, the hand is gone. Wait, what just happened? Yeah. have a big goofy gap. Bro, now it's just a... How are we still spinning? How are we still spinning, Kaden? How are we still spinning? We don't even have toes.
We're ballerinaing. Shut up, man. We're ballerinaing.
What if we fly using this? Are you trying to say oh, we're in heavens? Oh shoot.
I lost a pupil.
I can
I lost
tell.
an eye.
I can tell.
I'm ballerinaing on my chair.
What?
I'm gonna die.
Die. We're gonna
I stood on the edge of the map. Now I'm not dying.
Yay. Now we can't have fun.
I'm gonna reset.
Yay. Now we can have fun.
Wait, I'm lagging.
Bruh. Now we can't have fun. Ugh.
Let's fix the map and give it gold shoes.
Let's make it fancy. Can I be the one driving this time? Can I drive it this time?
Okay, I'm gonna give it gold Jordans.
I ain't taking my sneakers off. Take them out, all. Sneakers. Golden sneakers. Sneaker. Bro, why does it feel like it's a turn it? Yes. Caden's doing it. Let's go. We have some Jordans now. Yeah! We're having Jordans. Let's go. Wait, remember to save this one.
Yes. We improve it every time we die.
Yes.
Wait, Nikki, stop moving! I can't do anything.
What did that do? Wait, make sure it shows some parts of the sock. Only some. Like very tiny. Yes. Why does it feel like we're building a rocket launcher? But it's not a rocket launcher.
Okay, now I'm gonna make the bottom of the shoe.
Wait, next time we should, after we die, we should give it a hat. We should give it a hat.
Give it a cap.
Yes, cap. Bro, did you put, why is it, make it, never mind. Wait, can you somehow copy and paste it?
Yes.
You can copy and paste.
Yes. I'm gonna make it red.
Red. It's so shiny though. Ah! Copy and paste. Yay! Now everything is ready.
Well, let me save it.
Wait, after this we can add gloves. After this we can actually just add some gloves if you want. Okay.
It actually looks good.
I know. Bro, why do we keep falling? Bro. We're looking very nice. I'm doing the ballerina again.
Ballerina on Jordan.
Yes.
We're pro ballerina.
Yes. The hands are so shaky. Oh. Wait, shoot. Bro. Let's go. We're looking very nice. Very nice.
Wait, I I should add the J later. I should add the J logo.
Oh yeah, you should. You should add the J logo.
Yeah.
Add it next time. And then add the gloves or a cap. Yay, the ballot. No, wait. The shoe fell off. The sole of the shoe fell.
The shoe fell off.
I know. The other bottom of the shoe also fell off. Now we have
This
no
is
bottoms. We're doing very great.
We lost an arm.
Oh yeah, we lost both of them.
They're not among us. We lost the side of the shoe.
Oh wait, we should actually. That's a good idea. We should maybe make it Among Us, bro. Why are we like this? Why am I walking like this?
Let's actually walk.
Oh, is there a shoe? Hey. Okay.
I'm bald.
What? Wait, now give it a cap or like give it some gloves.
Wait, put the J first. The J is the most important.
For Jordans, yes. Let's add the J first.
I'm gonna make it neon.
You have neon blocks?
Yes, a lot.
I'm literally just stacking up. For no reason. You should make it glow white.
Yes.
Why is it red?
Because I'm making it.
Oh, I fell from the tower and now it's gonna collapse. What's this treasure boxes? It's gonna fall down. I'm literally just trying to make some stairs. Let's go. No, wait, make it lower. Let's go. Nike kicks, 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4. Now we should give it a cap or like gloves for this arm.
I'm gonna give it a cap.
How do you make a cap without stopping a cap? Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. We always should stop the cap. Wait, now you drive this time. The cap. You should place the cap like. You know what I'm talking about? Like right here, like on top of this, maybe. Cause now I can't sit down.
I'm gonna make it collide, okay? Just
Okay.
wait.
Lagging with the treasure boxes. Lagging with the treasure boxes.
Hey, can you delete the treasure box? I'm lagging.
I swear I wasn't doing anything. I deleted everything. Michael Jordan's.
I'm gonna make a blue cap.
Blue, my favorite color. Blue.
Okay, make it collide.
Blue.
I'm gonna make a tip. You know the cap has a tip, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that does have a tip. Now you're gonna sit on the tip. You're gonna sit.
I'm gonna be the tip.
Okay, you be the tip. Only your head is gonna show. Only your head and your arms are showing. And the Jurassic World. Alright.
I'm just gonna stand here.
Wait, after this add some gloves and then we're done. This is already 1 hour. Right, Caden?
Yes. Why? Wait. Why does the J look like a tick?
It does look like a tick. Stop ticking. Stop ticking. Start micking. Bro, stop doing the ballerina, bro. What the hey? Oh my! What just happened? What just happened? What seriously? What just happened?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bro, what are you doing? Do the ballerina. I like the ballerina. Yay!
We actually dodged it.
No, it came on the back of the shoe. Came the bottom of the shoe came off. No, the other bottom of the shoe came off. I'm lagging. I can't see anything.
Same. It's pure lag.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, it's back.
Yes. No. Okay, I'm dying. Let me heal before we even move.
Don't worry, our Jordans are very strong.
That's true. Gold is strong.
It's made of gold.
Yes, gold is strong. Wait, how strong is neon?
I don't think it's that weak. What?
I almost died. I almost died. I'm on my last strand of life. I'm healing though, which is very nice. After we finish recording, we'll make another video on this on part 2. Please be patient on the part 2 video as it may take a while to record and also post.
Okay.
Credits to most of Caden.
What?
Credits to most of Caden.
No, subscribe to
Caden.
Nicky, aka Newbie Game. No.
Subscribe to Caden, aka Caden Lich.
I'm bald.
Bald is beautiful, baby. Bald is beautiful. Yeah,
How am
yeah.
I still alive? Okay, I died.
Alright, let's just end it right here. Wait. Let's do an outro. Why is there music notes? Alright, guys. See you.
Okay,
Let's wait. See you later. Bye. Okay, let me end recording first.